It smells kind of eucalyptus-y. That's a word.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another Because Instagram video, where we find weird stuff trending on Instagram and we try it just because. You know what we're gonna try today? Freckles. Yeah, Henna Freckles. Now, I'm pretty sure that putting freckles on your face is nothing that new, but lately I've been seeing it everywhere, especially on Instagram. First, I was seeing just putting freckles on with regular dark makeup, but then came the henna. Now, I tried henna yesterday. Oh, let me show you the henna. It just so happened that Ava had a whole box of henna that she got for Christmas. And here's what that goo looks like. This came with, I think, 8 of them in here. I don't know. But this is what we're going to be using. And I actually tried to dot my arm and nothing happened. The top of my arm, stuff happened. So parts of your body aren't that receptive to being dyed with henna. Okay, and I don't know what to do other than just start. So here we go. Hold on, let me see what I'm doing. Now I know freckles kind of run into each other, so I'm not going to try to bother making this even. It's like little piles of poop on your face. Looks so natural so far. Forehead time. So here we have all of the freckles. And now all I have to do is wait. I'm gonna wait till these dry, like really dry, and then I will scrape them off. I know that the coloring will get darker as time goes on, so I may even check in tomorrow with some darker freckles. But for now, let's let this dry. Okay, bye. Okay, now I'm scared because Ava just did the henna freckles too, and when she scraped it off her face, it looked very orange and dark. So we're gonna take them off. I'm gonna just do this. Just a dry washcloth to get the rest of this stuff. Okay, I had to stop that video because when I took a look at it, I could see that it was very blurry, and that's not good when you're trying to find freckles. And they are very clear on my forehead and my nose. Well, everywhere that I put them. I don't know. I don't know if I like them or not. It's hard to imagine them getting darker than this, but they are. And that's why I will still come back tomorrow and show you how they look. But so far, I don't know. I feel like I like them because they look different, but it's definitely a change. So I just had to interrupt the blurry video to give you a little clearer shot of these bad boys. So I will see you mañana. That's French for tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Approximately 10 hours later.
They got a little darker overnight. A lot darker. I was very aware of them this morning because I was walking around and I could see them out of my peripheral vision. Let's have a look. Very dark on my nose and my forehead. And now that they're darker, I think they look less natural because you can really see the placement of each freckle and it doesn't look as random as it should. Now that's not to say I don't like them, it's just very different, and now that they're darker I have to get used to them. I feel like this makes my complexion darker, obviously, but not just where the freckles are, the whole thing. So I put a little bit darker eye makeup on this morning to sort of balance things out. Ooh, email. Fashion Nova. They email me a lot because I keep trying to do a $100 haul at Fashion Nova, and each time I have things in my basket and I just end up leaving the site because I just can't I can't. Okay, so I'm thinking that these freckles are going to stay a while, which is totally fine with me. As I've said before, I like freckles. I'm just not used to it. But what I do want to do, especially since this is a because Instagram video, we're going to have a little bit of a 2-for-1. Yes, this video was to see what henna freckles would look like, but there is also a girl on Instagram with freckles everywhere, and she is very well known for covering those freckles up completely to the point where you don't even know she used to have freckles. So we're going to do that right now. This girl uses very full coverage foundation. All right, let's start the magic. Close up. Bye-bye, freckles. Oh my goodness. Okay, the freckles on my forehead really want to stay. Okay, I'm all right with some freckles showing through the makeup. All right, a little blush, a little bit of contour. See if we can get my nose to show up. There it is. And lastly, highlight. I'm using CoverGirl Vitalist Beauty Glow. That's exciting, I think. Not doing much highlighting, is it? At least that I can see. A little there, over here. Fini. That's Spanish for I'm done. All right, that's it. I covered up what I could of the freckles that I created on my face. Very counterproductive day. Anyway, I am not sorry about the freckles that I am going to have for about a week or so. I know there's ways to get rid of the henna stain a little bit quicker, but I have no reason to do that. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this Because Instagram video where I got some henna freckles. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I might have. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to check out my other Because Instagram videos. You know, where we find weird stuff trending on Instagram and we try it just because. If you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.